Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to apologize in advance for my voice throughout this video. I started off the new year with a really bad sinus infection, and I'm just now kind of like getting my voice back and finally starting to feel better, and it's been like over a week, so it's been a rough start to the new year, but I'm finally feeling better. I'm finally filming a tutorial in the new year, and I'm using the new, well, not new to me, Carli Bybel and BH Cosmetics Deluxe Edition palette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I love this palette. It's very like berry kind of inspired, so that's what this tutorial is themed. It is kind of a frosted berry tutorial for you guys, so if you want to see what's going on, keep on watching. My face is primed, prepped, and ready to go, so I'm just going to dive right on in with the Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette with BH Cosmetics. First, I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is the Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I got this in my Ipsy bag a couple of months ago, and I'm going to dive right in with this nude color here and blend that into my crease to start defining my eyes. Now I'm going in with this gorgeous purpley color on my Sigma tapered blending brush. This is the E45, and I'm placing this right into my crease just under where I put that brown color. And while I'm in with this purple, I'm just going to drag it along my lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to dive straight in with my lid color, which is going to be this gorgeous, almost duochrome, pinky, goldy, purpley color. And I'm just using a Sephora Professional smudge brush. This is a number 14 brush. They don't make this anymore, but you can use any densely packed brush for the lid color. And then for my final color, I'm going to darken up my outer corner using this gorgeous dark purple right here on a small crease brush. This is the MUA crease brush 315, and this is my new favorite brush because the tip is so small and I have very small eyes, so it gives me the perfect amount of color. And of course, I'm popping this on the outer third of my lower lash line as well. For under my eyebrows and on my inner corners, I'm going to take this purpley frosted, it's almost like a duochrome highlighter, and I'm going to put that on a Coastal Scents BRC and 01 brush and just lightly shade that in. Moving on to my face, this palette is awesome because it has basically everything you need besides a blush. I guess you could use one of the eyeshadows as a blush, but I'm not going to today. So I'm going to take this bronzy color, start bronzing up my face, and this is an e.l.f. unlabeled brush. It's just a big fluffy brush. And for contour, I'm taking a little bit of this darker brown color just on the edge of that brush and blending it out really well. I'm going to hop on over to my Tarte color wheel real quick and apply this pinky berry color using my It Cosmetics brush. This is their Love Beauty Fully brush. It was a limited edition, but it's basically the same thing as their blush brush. And then back in with the Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette, I'm going to use my Coastal Scents setting brush and this whitish color as my highlighter. Oh, that is real pigmented. Oh my goodness, I was not expecting that. For mascara, I'm going in with two different mascaras because I'm crazy. I've been using the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash on my lower lash lines because the brush is small and I don't get stuff everywhere when I do my lower lashes. And then I've been using the Superhero It Mascara on my top lashes. For my brows, I'm using my classic Maybelline Brow Drama Brow Mascara in the shade Deep Brown. And then kind of keeping in line with that berry theme, I'm going to be using this Burt's Bees lipstick, chapstick, I don't know what it's called, but it's like a tinted chapstick in the shade 530 Lily Lake, and I really like this formula. So it's nice, it's hydrating, it's Burt's Bees, of course it is. And then just because I can, I'm going to take my finger and go into this purple and just do a little bit of highlighting over my lips because I really like that glowy frosted effect. So this is the final finished Frosted Berry tutorial using the Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm sorry for the rough start this year. It's been a rough week, and then it's going to be another rough week because I've got another gum graft coming up. But fear not, I have videoed ahead, I have filmed ahead, so hopefully I will have lots of fun content coming for you, even though I will be down and out for the count for a couple of weeks, and then I can get back into my normal routine and get back to filming fun tutorials for you guys. So definitely let me know what you want to see in the new year. Leave a comment below, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at Ilea. I would love to talk to you guys. Definitely come chat with me, and thank you guys so much for watching.